Okay, the release of the iPhone 12 is delayed, and Apple has not come up with a new date for the launch. We've been creating videos providing information related to the new iPhone 12, and in today's video, we discuss expected features and specs related to the phone's battery. The battery is expected to have some major changes. It's said the iPhone 12 will come with a battery that is half the size of the battery in previous iPhone models. This will free up some space, helping the phone look more compact. However, the smaller size of the battery will likely reduce its capacity when compared to the iPhone 11. Based on details from some reputable sources, Apple would use 3 different types of batteries, depending on the model. The 5.4-inch iPhone is expected to have a 2227 mAh battery. The 6.1-inch models are said to have 2775 mAh and 2815 mAh batteries. And finally, the 6.7-inch model will come with a 3687 mAh battery. As we said earlier, the iPhone 12 battery capacity might be less efficient than those in the iPhone 11. iPhone 11 has a 3110 mAh battery, iPhone 11 Pro 3046 mAh, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max has a 3969 mAh battery. A less efficient battery will lead to disappointed Apple fans. However, if Apple makes some processor improvements in the iPhone 12, battery capacity could be similar to the iPhone 11. One reason for making the smaller battery is to balance the cost against 5G connectivity feature. Apple is likely to remove the power adapter, which is usually provided based on information from sources. This step will also reduce the cost and balance the 5G support expenses. Therefore, people need to buy a power adapter separately as an optional accessory. We also know the earpods, whether wired or wireless, are also being excluded and will make the packaging thinner and more compact. Apple will use a USB-C cable instead of the traditional Lightning cable. The USB-C cable might look similar to Apple's USB-C to Lightning cable. Sources say the change would be to a gray and white woven fabric braided design, allowing the cable to withstand usage and provide greater durability. The adapter required to charge the iPhone 12 would be a 20-watt USB-C power adapter, which, as we said earlier, the customer needs to buy separately. There has been some news that a new 20-watt charger has been certified in Norway, whereas a secondary unknown charger has also been certified in Norway as well as Australia. Our conclusion on the iPhone 12 battery is that most people might not be satisfied with this. It's speculated that the iPhone 12 will be providing 120 Hz refresh rate, and this might use a lot more battery than expected. And a faster draining battery will lead to unhappy customers. Moreover, the lack of earpods is understandable, but the adapter too? Well, in our opinion, it would be great if they provided a power adapter with the device. However, whether these changes are made or not will only be seen once we have access to the new iPhone 12.